every year, an equivalent of 18.5% of the mass of Mount Everest is extracted to be used as building materials. Construction requires concrete, the most consumed man-made material on the planet. Cement is the glue of concrete, and its industry is the third largest industrial energy consumer. Worldwide, building construction and operations are responsible for most of the energy use. But what if we could reduce CO2 emissions from the construction sector by cutting the amount of energy use in building construction and operations? What if we could predict the amount of virgin materials needed before they enter the life cycle of buildings? In this vision, architects, civil engineers, real estate developers and building managers could apply circular economy principles and digitalization to analyze material flows throughout the life cycle of buildings and find opportunities to reduce waste by reusing and recycling materials. The Circular EcoBIM project aims to enable a circular construction model through Building Information Modeling, or BIM. The Circular EcoBIM Platform integrates BIM tools with the principles of circular economy and the new sustainability framework for buildings called Levels Framework from the European Commission. The Circular EcoBIM Platform consists of different components for building analysis. Plugins for existing BIM software to calculate the circularity and perform a life cycle assessment, a digital twin application, and a database. The platform is demonstrated through a case study provided by Vic Properties, one of our partners. The Herdade do Pinheirinho, a real estate development located in the Alentejo region of Portugal. The site is 200 hectares big, 197,000 square meters of holiday villas and other infrastructure will be built. The Circular EcoBIM team used laser scanning to create BIM models of the land of Pinheirinho and 3D technology to model the future villas. The goal is to maintain and use these models throughout all building life phases. The BIM models allow the extraction of material quantities and constructive environmental characteristics of products and materials. This information is the basis for a circularity assessment and life cycle analysis. These improve the understanding of a building's environmental performance. The two plugins for calculating circularity and life cycle assessment are being developed for Autodesk's Revit BIM software. The Circularity plugin analyzes the circular potential for construction and renovation of a building. It allows 3D visualization in the BIM model per construction element. It generates a circularity report indicating the origin of the material and potential end-of-life strategy. The Life Cycle Assessment plugin uses environmental indicators from the database and the building geometry from the Revit model to analyze the impacts of a construction or renovation project. It allows different types of sustainability analysis with a varying range of indicators, depending on the project and user needs. An economic analysis is part of the plugin, which calculates the life cycle cost of the BIM model. A digital twin application visualizes the circularity of materials, use of potentially recoverable materials, and increase of sustainability measures in a realistic building model. The digital twin application also analyzes the circularity potential during the building's use phase. It enables different user function, including 3D navigation, highlighting the illustration of impacts related to different construction elements through a color scheme. Circular EcoBIM aims to help architects, civil engineers, real estate developers and building managers to uncover opportunities to redirect material flows from linear to circular, as well as making early assessments of potential environmental impacts associated to new building and renovation projects, effectively cutting the amount of energy use in building construction and operations. And in doing so, reducing CO2 emissions from the construction sector.